Okay, so we just arrived at this hotel here in Stillwater, Oklahoma. And here are the air conditioners. Got some Comfortmakers and a Fujitsu Halcyon inverter unit. I've never seen any Comfortmakers this small before. I don't want to get caught because there's a window right there. And that one's running. Let's see. This is a... Oh my god. I hate that. Data sheets are like... Oh my god. I hate that. Okay, this is a... It's from 2008 and it's a... It's a 2-ton, 24,000 BTU. So I guess all the other ones are. There's another Fujitsu. Number 2008 2-ton unit right there. And here's some bigger ones. Right there. Another Fujitsu unit. I don't know the tonnage of the Fujitsus. Again, we just got to this place, like, I guess probably 10 minutes ago. Okay. All right. So, I guess let's get the tonnage of this Fujitsu unit right here. It's a straight cool unit. It's also from 2008. I don't know the tonnage of it. But yeah, anyways, over and out. This unit's running down real quickly. Here's the compressor. And that Comfortmaker. Anyways, over and out.